Come on, friends. We're fixing to make some southern potato salad, and it is great with anything. Pork, ribs, chicken, hamburger, it don't matter. And it feeds a lot of people at a low price. So let's get to cooking. There's so many varieties of potato salad. You can put just about anything in it, but the majority of it is eggs, potatoes, mayonnaise, and onion, and some kind of dill. Either relish, dill pickle, sweet pickles, whatever you want to put in there. But today we're starting with about a cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna do the dressing first. I love potato salads. And about a half a cup of onion, chopped up onion, but we might go back and get some more of that. The mustard gives it that yellow color. I put about 2 tablespoons in mine. Put a little salt, about a teaspoon, pepper, a couple of shakes. I like to put a little garlic. Now, potato salad, you know, you just peel your potatoes or you leave them with the skin. You cut them into cubes, wash them, then you put them into cold water. Always put them into cold water because you don't want to start with hot water because they'll be done on the outside but not the inside. And so you let them boil, I guess, for about 10 minutes until they're fork tender. That means you stick a fork in it, and if they're just tender, then they're ready. And then you drain them, put some cold water over them, and then you do your eggs. You boil your eggs. I boiled about 5, I think. You let them boil, and when they start to boil, you put the lid on them and set them aside. Let them sit for about 5 minutes. Pour all the hot water off and shock them with cold water. You might want to put some ice in there. That way it'll peel better. Okay, we got our salt, pepper, onion. I'm gonna put some, I like sweet relish in mine, but I put both of them in there. I have used pickles, where you just chop them up. You know, whatever you got on hand, whatever you like. Some people like to put olives in there. I'm putting a teaspoon, 2. That's sweet. Mix that up. Some people put celery for the crunch. And I've saved 1 egg for the top. We're going to make it pretty. We're going to mix that together. We're going to take our potatoes that are drained, peeled, and cooked. You see that potato? There's no resistance. That's how you know it's tender. Well, looky here, this potato salad looks great. I sliced an egg on top to make it pretty, but you don't have to. And I sprinkled just a little bit of paprika on top. But some people are allergic to that, so if you got people coming and you're not sure, don't put it on there. But this is gonna be good, and it's a great summer dish. It goes with everything. So I hope you try the Southern potato salad. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.